Hello, Chef here. Yet another recipe for you, the viewer. I want to show you a couple of tricks today. And what do I have here? 3 beautiful boneless center cut pork chops, or pieces of the pork loin. You notice there's a little color happening here. The pink's gone, it's getting a little grayish. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with these pork chops. They should taste exactly the same as if they were bright pink and just cut. So these have been cut a few days ago. I'm using a paper towel and I'm drying off this excess moisture. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is select the correct knife. Oh yeah, a 6-inch boning knife. So now we're gonna take each of these pork chops. We're going to butterfly them. So how do you butterfly a pork chop? Well, it's simple. Follow the chef. Here we go. Right down the fat line, we're going to go with an even slice, about 75% through the pork chop, like this. Open it up, and that right there is a perfect butterflied pork chop. Uno, dos, tres. 3 perfect butterflied pork chops. Follow along. First thing I'm going to do is add some fresh ground black pepper to each of these. Just like that. Oh yeah. Next thing I'm going to do is add some fresh ground sea salt to each of these. Yeah. Now, I don't like to make a mess all over my cutting board, so I'm going to actually use the chop and get that extra salt and pepper, and I'm going right into a mixing bowl like this. Okay? Oh, the finished pork chops looking really good. Multi-carrot coleslaw. Check it out. Search the channel. Check out the sponsor. They got all these babies in stock, and we also like this electric stainless steel salt mill. We grind a lot of pink Hawaiian salts and Himalayan salts. On this particular one, all you do is you just press the button and the salt comes out real nice. So I'll be using this salt and pepper in the next recipe. Check it out. Smash the like button. Subscribe right here. Watch the chef's next recipe. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. So you're buying a Japanese knife online? Do your research. Professional chefs use our knives around the world. Check it out. Finish with a little bit of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Wow. With proper care and maintenance, they will last you for decades. Wow. The perfect cooking surface. So, as a professional chef, I get asked all the time, what is a safe cutting board? This is the one you've seen on TV. Professional chefs use them, and there's a good reason why. It's going to be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. In my kitchens, I have several. This one here is going on, I think this end grain rock maple is over 20 years old now. It's been cut on 1,000,000 times. The knife does not hurt it. It's the hardest surface you want for your knife contact like this. Cutting, chopping, slicing, dicing will not hurt the knife blade, will not hurt the block. Check your sponsor there. They're having a free shipping sale. Exceptional. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without a juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5 thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks, buy the best the first time, save money. You're gonna like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes,